I received this food dehydrator as a gift, and I wanted to do a quick unboxing to show what comes inside. This is a 600-watt food dehydrator designed for things like jerky meat, fruit, herbs, mushrooms, dog treats, and dried snacks. And it comes in this sleek black design. When you open the box, the first thing you'll notice is how well everything is packaged. Each piece is separated and protected, which is nice so nothing shifts around during shipping. Inside, you get the main dehydrator base, which feels solid and well made. The controls are right on the top, and you can see where you'll set the temperature and the 24-hour timer. Next are the 6 BPA free trays. They're lightweight but sturdy, and there's plenty of surface area on each tray for drying food evenly. You can stack all 6 trays together depending on how much you're making. Everything fits together easily, and you don't need any tools to assemble it. The trays just stack right on top of the base. I like that the design is simple and straightforward. No extra parts, no complicated setup. It's very clear how everything goes together right out of the box. Overall, this was a really thoughtful gift. The dehydrator looks well made, comes with everything you need to get started, and feels like it will be easy to use for jerky, snacks, and more. I'm excited to start using it.